Scam alert, sketchy links, asks for personal information or payment, rushes you, and full of typos. Stay sharp!
Nanalo ako!
Marvin, you didn't even bet in the lotto. It's a scam.
Oo nga, no. Hindi naman ako tumaya. Buti na lang, di pa ako nag-resign.
Be like us, bro, not Marvin. Stay sharp, think twice, and stop scams before they start. Protect your data, secure your future.